guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a chunky braid out on blown out hair. And the products that I am going to be using today is just my handy dandy olive oil moisturizing hair lotion infused with castor oil. I love this stuff. And then for the ends of my hair, I'm just going to use a little bit of water with my spray bottle, and I'm not going to drench my hair with products just because I want it to be, I don't want it to shrink a lot. Because I just have a lot of shrinkage and my hair is blown out, and honestly, I don't blow my hair out the way a hairstyle blow my hair out like the way I need it to be, because I don't part it and do sections like I should. I'm a little lazy, but I'm gonna work on that. So I am going to do chunky braid outs. I am going to do probably like six or eight. And first, I am going to start with the back. So, and when I say chunky, I mean chunky. I am not parting my hair straight. Forgive me. So I just got this much out in the back. I hope y'all can see. This much in the back. Okay. So I'm going to part it with my hands. And then this is how much I'm using. Literally. That big. And from that back section, I'm just going to part it in twos. That's it. Part it in twos. And I am using literally very little. Because like I said, I don't want a lot of shrinkage. Very little. And then I'm going to start braiding. And I'm not going to make this video too long either, because I'm good for making my videos too freaking long. So I'm going to just keep braiding at the end. And then I'm going to use the spray bottle for the end part just to give it that curly swirl at the bottom. So it won't, when I unbraid it, it won't just be looking like I got straight ends. Especially because I'm not using a lot of product. And I'm braiding kind of tight too. Just so that it can have definition. Okay. Now this little piece, I am going to spray. And then just kind of go like that. Because eventually it'll curl up, see? Eventually it'll curl up on its own. Just to give it that curl. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Very little. And I got my wide tooth comb this time. Ooh. I'm gonna take some from this. And the reason I like using this is because it's infused with castor oil, and I like castor oil. But I do know I need to start oiling my scalp more. That's something I do not do enough, and I'm going to start doing it very soon. My hands be hurting. I be thinking, I don't know, my hands be so tensed. I don't know why, and I braid soft, so, okay. So we're gonna do the same with this side. let it kind of curl up on its own. And then I am going to part this like this, part this like that. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's good. Then I can put this in a ponytail for now. And then I am going to, I'm trying to see, do I want to, yep, I'm going to do just that. So, get some more. Remember, I'm doing jumbo. I feel like the more too that I do, like twist outs and braid outs, I'll probably have a little bit more patience to do smaller braids. But right now I'm just trying to get in the habit of doing them. So baby steps for me. Because I do like, just from watching like other YouTubers when they do like the smaller twist outs, it does look really, really cute and fuller in how they like separate the braids and everything. But I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there one day. So I'm gonna keep braiding. Oh, my fingers hurt. I feel like this one needs just a little bit more. I feel a little dry. And I'm actually rubbing it on my fingers so that as I braid, I'm getting it on each strand as I go down. Okay, for this next part, I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys just watch me as I go. Okay, this is the finished product. And I think I am going to go like this, just to keep them down and kind of stretched on each side. So all I'm doing is just adding these stretchy band thingies. And then I'm gonna do the same to the back. Because I don't like this one. This one's just out. All types of crazy. So I'm gonna attach these two. And then these side pieces, I'm gonna just let them, wait. Oh, I added 3 of them. That's supposed to be right there. Then I'm gonna just put this on. Put this one on. Tie it down. And of course I'm gonna put my silk bonnet on too. And I'm gonna let this sit overnight and take it down until morning. Make sure this one's down. Got all of them down. Okay. Good dandy. And then I will show you guys the finished look tomorrow. So see you in the morning. Hey guys, it is morning time and I am about to get ready to take the braids down. And first I'm going to take these off. And then I'm going to use this lavender black castor oil. I had this for a few months now, but I rarely use it. But I'm gonna use it today. Gonna use it today. Okay, first I am going to start off with the back area. So I'm going to try and hurry and take these out. I'm not going to talk too much on this part. I'm just going to speed up this part. Okay, so my front pieces came out exactly how I knew they would because they were smaller pieces, but I probably should have rolled the ends more just to give it more of a curly look and not the straight ends like I did not want. But so now I'm just going to try to pick out just to make it bigger a little bit. Especially in the back area. So it came out more of a wavy look versus a curly look, which is okay. I just wish my ends were a little bit more curly. But overall, I do like the look. It looks natural, the way I wanted it to look. But this side, I think I took it down too fast because it looks like I combed it out on this side versus this side. But that's all right. That is okay. Just separating some more pieces, playing with it. And then, because you know I got thin edges, colored edges black, I'm gonna use a little bit of this for my side pieces. Just a little bit. Put it on this comb. And voila. I'll put a little bit more on this side. And then for my front pieces up here, I'm gonna just use this. Excuse the line on my forehead. I think I had that scarf tied a little too tight. Play with the baby hairs a little bit. Okay. Shake it and just let it flow. And this is pretty much it. I think it's pretty okay. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the other side. I feel like okay, and then this is the back. So I like how the look came out, but next time I am going to either roll my ends or wet them a little more, or maybe do like a bantu or something like that to get my ends to be a little more curly. But like I said before, it was a chunky braid out anyway, so I didn't expect for it to be extreme definition from the braid out. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below what you want to see me try next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.